Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to use walking directions in Google Maps. So first of all, open your Google Maps app on your phone. Honestly, this is the most important step because all navigation starts from the app itself. Make sure your GPS is turned on so it can detect your location accurately. Once the app is open, look at the top of the screen where the search bar is located. Tap on it and type in your destination or select a recent location if you've searched it before. This will help Google Maps know where you want to go. After selecting your destination, look at the bottom of the location card where the Directions button appears. Tap on Directions to open the route options. This step is necessary before choosing any travel mode. Once the Directions page opens, you'll see different travel modes at the top. Swipe below the Drive option until you find the walking icon. Tap on it to switch your directions to walking. This ensures you get the most accurate walking route instead of driving directions. Finally, after selecting walking directions, tap on the Start button at the bottom. Google Maps will now guide you step by step along your walking route. And just like that, you're ready to walk to your destination safely and easily. So that's how you can easily use walking directions in Google Maps. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you want more navigation tips. Happy walking!